In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Basecamp in a simple and organized way. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Basecamp. Click the Sign In button and enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your projects are listed. Now, select the project you want to upload files to. Just click on the project name to open it. Inside your project, look for the Docs and Files section. This is where all your project documents are stored and managed. Click on Docs and Files, then look for the option to add new content. Select Upload Files. Now a file window will open. Browse your computer and choose the file or files you want to upload. You can select single or multiple files depending on your needs. After selecting your files, click Open or confirm the selection and wait for the upload to load. Finally, click Post to Project to complete the process. Your files will now be uploaded and saved inside the project, ready for your team to access anytime. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded files in Basecamp. This helps keep your project organized, ensures smooth teamwork, and makes all important documents easy to find in one place. Thanks for watching.